Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones. We've got the inside scoop on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its slimmer sibling, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This beauty is expected to feature a 6.3-inch cover display and a 7.6-inch internal screen when unfolded. And get this, it's only 12.1mm thick when unfolded, making it sleeker than its predecessor, the Z Fold 5, which measures 13.4mm. But the real game changer here is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. According to the elec, this model will boast a massive 8-inch inner screen and a 6.5-inch external display. Yes, you heard that right. It's larger than the regular Z Fold 6. Samsung has been hard at work to solve the grip issues that plagued earlier models with larger screens. The company seems to have found the perfect balance between size and usability, making the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim a promising contender in the foldable market. One of the most exciting aspects of the Z Fold 6 Slim is its anticipated ultra-thin design. While we don't have the exact dimensions yet, it's expected to be even thinner than the Z Fold 6's 12.1mm. This could set a new standard for foldable smartphones. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is already expected to be on the pricier side, and it will be interesting to see how Samsung prices the slim version. As for availability, while we might have to wait a bit longer for the Z Fold 6 Slim, the good news is that the standard Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 are just days away from launch. You can even reserve yours now and enjoy some early bird perks. So, what do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim? Are you excited about the larger screen and thinner design? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.